Welcome, entrepreneurs, to our in-depth guide on creating a powerful and impactful business plan for launching your very own business venture. A business plan is not just a document. It's your strategic roadmap to transform your entrepreneurial vision into reality. In this video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step process. Create a business plan that not only defines your business goals, but also captivates potential investors, partners, and stakeholders. Executive Summary. At the forefront of your business plan is the executive summary, an encapsulation of your business's essence. This section provides a concise yet compelling overview of your business, its core mission, and the key reasons why your business idea stands out. Company description. Venture into the heart of your business concept within the company description. This is where you paint a vivid picture of your business's purpose, the unique problem you're set to solve, and your target audience. Unveil the distinctive aspects that set your business apart in a competitive landscape. Market analysis. The foundation of informed decision-making lies in thorough market analysis. Immerse yourself in researching your target market, understanding competitors, and tracking industry trends. This is the space to identify unmet needs and untapped opportunities in your chosen market, organization, and management. Behind every successful business is a dedicated team. In this section, showcase the star players in your team, their roles, responsibilities, and expertise. Illuminate your organizational structure and highlight the mentors or advisors who contribute to steering your business forward. Product or service line. Detail the beating heart of your business, the products or services you offer. Dive into how your offerings seamlessly address pain points in your target audience. Shed light on the unique features that give your offerings a competitive edge and enhance customer satisfaction. Marketing and sales strategies. A successful business hinges on robust marketing and sales strategies. This section is your canvas to showcase your marketing prowess. Discuss social media campaigns, advertising endeavors, and PR tactics. Explain your sales approach and the channels through which you plan to reach your customers. Funding request. If you're on the lookout for financial support, outline your funding requirements with clarity. Break down how you allocate the funds and the potential returns for potential investors. This is your chance to demonstrate the value of investing in your business. Financial projections. Numbers breathe life into your business plan. Offer insights into projected financial statements, including anticipated income, forecasted expenses, and expected cash flow. These projections provide a tangible glimpse into your business's financial viability and growth potential. Appendix. Further enrich your business plan with supplementary materials in the appendix. This can encompass in-depth market research, legal documentation, and any other relevant resources that bolster your plan's credibility. Congratulations! With diligence and dedication, you've forged a comprehensive business plan that will serve as your guiding compass in the entrepreneurial landscape. Remember, a business plan remains flexible, adapting to the evolving dynamics and opportunities within your business journey. As we wrap up, we extend our gratitude for joining us. If you found this guide illuminating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. As you embark on your thrilling entrepreneurial odyssey, we wish you resounding success and the fulfillment of your business aspirations.